Many people ask us why they should pay to get a valuation for probate purposes when their local estate agent will give them a valuation for free. Let me tell you, the price that you tell the tax office that your property is worth needs to be correct, but as low as possible to avoid you paying too much tax. An estate agent will have a conflict of interest. His job is to sell your property for you for the most amount of money that he can. It is therefore wrong for him to give you a low valuation just so you can put this on your forms. Secondly, and more importantly, the estate agent's job is to sell your property for the highest price. He won't have the skill or knowledge to deal with the district valuer when he questions the value given to your property. They will almost certainly find it impossible to justify a value when they are marketing or have just sold your property for a higher price. Our qualified chartered surveyors at Langley Rooms do have the experience, knowledge and skill to deal with investigations by the district valuer, and therefore a better chance of agreeing a lower valuation and a lower tax bill for you.